Back to our new lesson, which is on the land transportation and motor coaches and railways. Our subject is tourism promotion. By the way, my name is Mr. Alejandro Gabriel A. Santos, your tourism teacher. Okay, shall we start? Okay, history of land transportation. Railways were first built in 1812 and carried passengers beginning 1830s. The newly completed railway between Liverpool, England and Manchester typically charged for only 1 penny per mile. These fares are lower than stagecoach fares. Okay, between 1826 to 1840, the first railroad were built in the United States. Okay, so the land travel is the second largest mode of transportation. Railway system had been highly efficient in offering a fast way of transporting the tourists. Railways serve as one of the most major transport service in many countries in Asia, just like Japan, China, India, and South Korea. They are widespread in European countries, especially in the Netherlands, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and Belgium. Consider one of the most earliest mode of transportation is the land transpo. Okay, so the top five railroad based on 2007. So we have Dushiban, SNCF, East Japan Railways, Union Pacific, Burlington Northern Santa Fe. Okay, so here's the sample pictures. Okay. Okay. And the World Train System. Europe has one of the most extensive railways system due to their neighboring countries dahil magkakalapit lang po ang Europe countries. So Eurorail is the most famous train and transport system that offers rail passes for the train travel all over the Europe. Since 1959, okay, Euro Global Pass, the most popular Euro Pass, which embrace the travel to go to 21 European countries, okay, in just one pass noong 2007. Okay, so we have Austria, Vienna, Belgium, Brussels, Croatia, Zagreb, and Czech Republic and Prague. Okay, kay Austria, the three major gateways of Austria is Vienna, Salzburg, and Innsbruck. Okay, Belgium is the one of the considered of the heart of Europe, the first to build a railway system in Europe countries. Croatia has train stations which have direct lines from Austria, Czech Republic, Switzerland, Germany, Hungary, Slovenia, Italy, and Greece. Czech Republic offers direct connection from Slovakia, Poland, Germany, Switzerland, Austria, and Hungary. Okay, so Denmark, Copenhagen, Finland, Helsinki, France, Paris, Germany, Berlin, Greece, Athens, and Hungary, Budapest. Denmark has a railway system, okay, that connects Copenhagen to every part of the country. Finland Railways link all major cities in Helsinki. Okay, France is the home of the high-speed train, okay, one of the best railway networks in the world. The Germany rail track is managed by DB or Dushiban. Okay, the Intercity Express train transport tourists from the major Germany cities, selected destination in Switzerland, Netherlands, France, Belgium, and Austria. Um, the Greece is the Greek trains connect to the other countries like Belgrade, Bulgaria, Hungary, Slovenia, and Turkey. Hungary, the country connected by railway to Austria, Croatia, Romania, Slovakia, Bulgaria, Czech Republic, Germany, and many more. Okay, Ireland, Dublin, Italy, Rome, Luxembourg, Luxembourg City, the Netherlands is Amsterdam, Norway is Oslo. The Irish Rail operates all the train routes in the country. They have two major stations, namely Euston and Connolly, are located. The Italy connects major city and towns as well of France, Spain, Austria to Italy. Luxembourg City, the company service the transportation of the tourists to the from railway tunnel. Eurotunnel or the Channel Tunnel rail transportation between France, Britain, and linked by the largest tunnel underneath the sea. Okay, it costs around and 21 billion and 700 times more expensive the construction of the Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, this consists the three tubes of service as the rail traffic while the third serves as a service tunnel or an emergency escape route. Okay, so ito po yung Eurotunnel and Shinkan Tunnel. The Shinkan Tunnel in Japan is the longest seabed tunnel in the world. The tunnel passes by Tsugaru Strait to the Honshu and Hokkaido Island. Okay, so motor coaches. Bus is the most reasonable and practical mode of transportation. The affordability of the fares make it popular choice among travelers. Motor coach travel contributes significantly to tourism revenue in local communities. Motor coaches link passengers arriving and departing through airport, train station, and seaport with their final home, work, and tourism destination. So, motor coach industry is dominated by two major parts. Okay, the rail transportation system is a group of 80 small independent motor coaches that have merged to provide competitive market and compete with the Greyhound lines and operates over 2,000 luxury-styled motor coaches, serving more than 1,000 destinations throughout North America and parts of Europe. Okay, the Greyhound lines founded in 1914, the largest provider of intercity bus transportation. So, what is the Greyhound buses? Serving more than 2,300 destinations with 13 daily departures across North America and serving around 25 million passengers. Okay, they have arrangement with Amtrak that allow Greyhound to serve passengers not provided by the railway station. Greyhound fleet consists about 1,250 buses with an average of age of 7.2 years. Okay, Greyhound use approximately 90 company-operated bus terminals and 850 agency-operated terminals or sales agency. Okay, so Greyhound operated nearly 5.8 billion passengers miles last year. The US operation as well as its operating subsidiaries in Greyhound Canada carried nearly 25 million people. Okay? So, tips when traveling by bus. Okay, plan, scout for ticket prices at different buses lines and buy your ticket ahead of time. So, inquire about your travel details. Come to the bus station early to be able to choose your preferred seats. Bring small bag containing all your important documents, toiletries, snack, sweaters, and blanket that can be within your reach. Stretch and take advantage of bus stops. Okay, ito po si Railways, tsaka si Greyhound na pictures. Okay, sa Philippine setting naman po tayo. On June 25, 1875, a general plan to establish a railroad line in Luzon was declared by King Alfonso of Spain. On November 24, 1892, the first 195-kilometer railway line from Manila to Dagupan in northern Luzon opened for the operation. In 1940, the line was extended to Legazpi in the south and the La Union in the north. And on June 20, 1946, Republic Act number 4156, the new charter was passed remaining the railway system of the Philippine National Railway o tinatawag nating PNR. So we have LRT1 or the Yellow Line. Pioneered in 1984, it became the country's prime mover in the mass transportation with the 15 kilometers elevated railway system to Roosevelt to Baclaran, considered to be the first light rail transit in Southeast Asia. And the MRT2, Line 2, the Purple Line, traverse 5 cities in stretches in 38 kilometers from Santolan to Recto. Okay? And the other is the MRT Line 3, the Blue Line, designed to decongest the traffic in the EDSA. Okay? The majority of the passengers are employed in the business district in NCR. Okay? So, Ito po yung sample pictures, the LRT1, MRT Line 2. Okay, the Philippine motor coach industry. We have Victor Reiner was incorporated in 1953, one of the biggest players in the Philippine passenger transport system founded by Mr. Jose Hernandez Sr. The main terminal of the Victory Liner is in the Caloocan Terminal. Doon sa malapit sa Victory Mall na tinatawag natin. Okay, the Philippine Rabbit was founded in 1946 and serviced mostly province in the north. So, ito po yun, the Victory Liner and the Philippine Rabbit. Activity is recitation, describe motor coaches and railways. Okay, and our assignment is advanced reading about in shipping industry in the Philippines.